Like everybody, I want to live a life that's full, found in living the life I want. Energy that comes with good health, full of the good I love. And at Weight Watchers, I'm not I'm living well. I live